Good morning, everybody. This is K. Balakrishna. Presently, we are dealing with the subject marketing management. In the marketing management, we are dealing with the topic called as pricing strategies. What is a strategy? A strategy is a plan of action. What is a price? Price is the value given to the product. What do you mean? What do you mean by pricing strategy? The strategies are the plans of actions for fixing the prices, for implementing the prices, as well as for executing the prices. Here are different strategies may be used. For example, you go to a showroom, you find 999 and not 1000. This is only to psychologically confuse the customer and make the price appear very low. This is called a psychological pricing strategy. In this way, there are a large number of pricing strategies which we will discuss in today's class. What are pricing strategies? First and foremost, we will see about 4 types of pricing strategies, 4 methods adopted for fixing the pricing strategy. First and foremost is demand-oriented approach. There are a number of pricing strategies which we will discuss one by one. First is skimming pricing strategy. Initially, they will fix the prices very high and slowly they will offer the discounts. Example, the Zio, which has got initially it was priced very low, but later it has increased its price. Penetration. Initially, they fix the prices low and slowly they will be going on increasing the prices. Almost all the companies follow the penetration pricing. Prestige pricing. They fix the prices at a very higher rate when compared to the normal thing. Price lining means all the products present in a product line are priced at the same level. Odd even pricing means odd pricing means psychological pricing like 779, 999, 177. These are all odd pricing. They make the prices appear low. For example, you find 199. We think that it is 100 plus and we do not think that it is 200 actually. So this odd even pricing is used to confuse the customers. 222, 333, all these things. Target market based pricing. Target market based pricing means based upon the targeted audience, prices. You cannot expect a BMW to be driven with a cost of 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Or you cannot throw the narrow pipe at a cost at a price of 2 to 3 crores. Bundle pricing. Group of products together will be priced at a single aspect. For example, take the case of tourism. It prices for the guides. It prices for the guides. It prices separately for the traveling, transportation, accommodation, and other things. And there is also cost-oriented pricing like standard markup pricing. Markup pricing means they will be fixing the prices above the market rate. Cost plus pricing. Cost plus pricing means they will identify the production cost, add the direct cost, and then price the products. Experience pricing means if the quantity purchased more is more. If the quantity purchased is more, they price high. If the quantity purchased is less, they price less. Profit-oriented approaches. Target profit rate based pricing means if they want more profit, they price high. If they want less profit, they price low. Target return on sales. If they want more sales, they price at a lower price, like 70% off, season sale, etc. If they wanted the sales to be minimized but return maximized, they price high. ROI. For example, if they have invested huge amount of the fixed assets, they will be pricing the products very high. It's customary pricing, regular, that is initially low price to attract the customers once it has gained its reputation. it slowly goes away. Above the rate or below the rate pricing. Above the rate pricing means they will fix the prices above the reach of the competitors. At the rate pricing means they will fix the price. They will fix the price based upon the competitors, and below the market pricing means they will fix the price below the reach of the competitors. Loss leader pricing means they will destroy the competition and kill the market, and then they price the goods. Or we can say that destroyer pricing means they will be price the products beyond the reach of competitors. This is a comprehensive outlook regarding various pricing strategies. Now, how do we establish the prices? We establish the prices first and the foremost step. What do we do is we set the pricing objective, whether to maximize profit or whether to maximize market share. If we wanted to maximize profits, they go for premium, they go for skimming, and if they wanted to maximize sales, they go for penetration. They go for discount pricing in this way. Next one is assessment of target market evaluation. Here, if the target market is in a different belonging to the high class, they price above. If the target market belongs to the low class, they price differently. Evaluation of competitors' pricing. Evaluation of competitors' pricing in the sense, if the competitor price, evaluation of the competitors' pricing sense, they will see the competitor price and price either above or below or with the competitors. Above the line pricing means pricing the products above the reach of competitors. Below the line pricing means pricing it below the reach of the competitors. And at the rate pricing means pricing along with the competitors, that is imitating the competitors in the areas of price. Selecting the basis for pricing. Selecting the basis for pricing in the sense they will identify the basis, whether they will allow the price very low, high, depends upon the basis. If they wanted to maximize market share, they price low. If they wanted to maximize profit, they price high. Finally, they select the pricing strategy, and finally they define the price. These are the various steps involved for fixing or setting the prices. What are the factors affecting pricing? First and the foremost factor will be the objectives. Based upon the objectives, only price will be fixed. If the manufacturer wants higher amount of return on investment, he prices above the competitor reach. That is premium pricing. Next, if the competitor wants as an objective of to maximize the market share, just like Jio, they price very low. Marketing mix strategy. Marketing mix strategy in the sense pricing is decided as one of the marketing mix strategy. Marketing mix consists of 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. Next, a pricing decision is taken based upon all these elements, and this pricing decision will affect the nature of the market. Sometimes the demand might be high or low. If the demand is high, product price is lower. If the prices are high, demand will be reduced. If the competition is high, pricing is low. If the competition is low, pricing is high. Like economy in the sense if they wanted to sell at low price, they are economical. If they are resellers, they want the product at very low price. If they are government and social concerns, also they will try to manufacture the product at least cost when compared to the others. Here, various factors affect the pricing. It includes 2 categories of factors: internal factors like top level management, who decide the prices. Next one is if they want to differentiate their product from the others, they fix the prices. For example, Fog has wanted to differentiate it from the others. After gaining market share, said that it is only meant for Starbucks customers. Costs. If the production costs are lower, it has an impact on price. Objectives. Maximizing sales and maximizing profits. Both are said to be the objectives. Stage of product life cycle. Stage of product life cycle in the sense, if the product life cycle is at the introductory stage, they price low. If the product life cycle is at the growth or maturity stage, they price high. Product quality. If the product is highly qualitative, they fix the prices very high. If the image is high, automatically the prices are higher. For example, BMWs are given higher price when compared to the Tata Nanos. This class of products. For example, if they wanted to format to the needs of rich class people, they have to fix the prices at very high. If they wanted a higher amount of market share, then they have to fix the products at a lower price. External products. If they wanted to create a demand, if they wanted to create a demand, they have to price the products very high. Let's see if the competition for the product, if the competition is intense, so as to sustain, they have to price low. If the raw material price and other inputs are low, then the price will be low. If the raw material price and other inputs are high, price will be high. Buyer behavior, in the sense, if sometimes what happens is consumer are reluctant to purchase the low price because they feel that they are undervalued, they are not having good quality. If government sanctions are more, prices will be increased. Seasonal effect. Usually in the unseasonal periods, special discounts are offered so that they can exist in the market. Economic conditions. The rupee value, inflation, purchasing power, all these are economic conditions which impact the prices of the products. Now we will see about the pricing strategies in detail. Penetration strategy. Initially they fix the prices low and slowly increase the prices. Second one is skimming strategy. Skimming strategy means initially they fix the prices very high and later they will decrease the prices. Competition pricing. There are three pricing strategies here. One is along with the competitors, means they imitate the competitors in terms of price. The above the reach of competitors means they will fix the price of the products higher than those of competitors. Below the line means they fix the prices below the reach of competitors. Next, product line pricing means product line means homogeneous products offered by the company. Product line pricing means sometimes what happens is they will be fixing the price of the products with a higher amount of homogeneity. That is, all the products of the product line will use the same strategy of fixing the prices. Bundle pricing means group of products will be offered at a single price. In the sense, take the example of tourism. Buy one get two free. Buy one get off free. These are all what we call bundle pricing. Two or more products are togetherly priced. For example, tourism, they fix a common price for traveling, transportation, boarding, lodging, guiding, and many other things. Premium pricing means they fix the prices at very high. Psychological pricing means they fix the prices at odd number, that is 999, because if a person sells at 999, people feel that it is below 1000 and not 1000. It is to psychologically confuse the people. Optional pricing means one set of pricing is compulsory and one set of pricing is optional. For example, you can take a house on rent. Here, the advance that you pay is optional based upon the demand, and the advance that you pay is optional, but the lease rent is compulsory. Cost plus pricing means here only direct costs are involved in the pricing of the products. Cost based pricing. Cost-based pricing in the sense it may be of least cost pricing or highest cost pricing. In least cost pricing, what do they do is they fix the process products very low cost. They gain the market share and finally go for it. Value-based pricing means they fix the price based upon the value, means status. Harley Davidson, Ballard, all these are priced very high because they are a symbol of status. This is a brief introduction regarding what are pricing strategies, what are various pricing approaches or methods, and what are the factors affecting pricing. Thank you.